चलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई थॉट टू डिस्कस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज़ द सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ आवर कंट्री, which is Reserve Bank of India. So I am going to ask you a few questions about Reserve Bank of India and let's see how much you know about Reserve Bank of our country. Now, being citizen of India, we must at least know these all facts about Reserve Bank of India. So without wasting much time, let's go to our today's topic, which is Central Bank of India, which is important for all the different competitive exams. So the first question is, Reserve Bank of India was established on the recommendation of which commission? Kothari Commission, Kelkar Commission, Hilton Young Commission, Western Brook Commission. So the right answer is Hilton Young Commission. Now this commission is also known as Royal Commission on Indian Currency and Finance, and this commission gave its recommendation in the year 1926, right? So remember this point, which is very important and asked in many exams. The second question is, Reserve Bank of India was established as per which act? Reserve Bank of India Act 1933, 1934, 1935, 1936. Now many of us give this answer as Reserve Bank of India Act 1935 because Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935 on 1st April, right? 1935 on 1st April. But the right answer is as per which act? As per the act of 1934. So don't make this mistake. It is 1934 act. 1935 it got established and it was started as a bank where contribution was made by government as well as private people, and the total share capital was 5 crore rupees. The next question is a bit simple one. The Reserve Bank was nationalized in the year. So the answer is 1st January 1949, right? In the year 1949, the bank was nationalized and it was made the central bank of our country, and the total control was taken under the control of government. The next question is, the present headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is located in, right? Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Lucknow. Now the present headquarter, you have to remember, it is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, but you have to note one fact that the headquarters of RBI initially was in Kolkata, right? Remember this fact, friends. It was in Kolkata up to which year? Up to 1937 it was in Kolkata, and then it was shifted to Mumbai. The first Indian governor of RBI is Osborne A. Smith, C.D. Deshmukh, Rajendra Chauhan, none of the above. Osborne A. Smith, we call him as O.A. Smith. He was the first governor of RBI, right? Remember, he was the first governor of RBI in the year 1935 when it got established. But they have asked you the first Indian governor, right? The first Indian governor was C.D. Deshmukh. That was in the year 1943. So O.A. Smith 1935 first governor of RBI, C.D. Deshmukh first Indian governor in the year 1943. The next question is, which animal and tree are present in the RBI emblem or logo? Now all of you have seen the logo of RBI, correct? In that we have an animal and a tree. What is that pair? Whether it is lion and palm tree, lion and banyan tree, tiger and banyan tree, tiger and palm tree. So the right answer is tiger and palm tree, right? Earlier it was lion and palm tree. So initially they wanted to make it as lion and palm tree, but because tiger was the national animal of India, so they made it to tiger and palm tree instead of lion and palm tree. So isn't this fact interesting? I have made one more interesting video on interesting facts of commerce. If you have not seen the video, I have put the link in the description as well as in the I button. You can just click on the I button above and you can watch those videos. The next question is, the RBI has not acted as a central bank for which of the country? Now RBI has acted as a central bank for more than one country. Many of us didn't knew this. Last time in the NET exam they asked a question based on this. So let's see the option: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, Myanmar. Now Pakistan, definitely RBI was a central bank up to 1948. For Burma, it was central bank up to 1947. Myanmar is the new name of Burma, so both is same. Up to 1947 April, RBI was a national bank for this country also. But for Bangladesh, it was never a national central bank. So isn't this also interesting one? If you found it interesting, share it with your friends. The next question is RBI is managed by. Now RBI is run by few number of board of directors. We call them as central board of directors. So what is a number, whether it is 10, 20, 21 or 16? So the right number is there are 21 members who runs the central bank of our country, right? The main persons. Who are those 21 person? Let's see in this chart. So 21% member list, if I have to elaborate, then there is one governor. Comment and let me know who is the present governor of RBI. There are 4 deputy governors. There are 2 finance ministry representatives. Usually they are from financial background or economic background. 10 nominated by Government of India, and there are 4 directors to represent the local board. There are 4 local boards you have to remember, which are headquartered at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. So this is the structure of body which runs the Reserve Bank of our country. The next question is the 1 rupee note is signed by RBI Governor, RBI Deputy Governor, Finance Minister, Finance Secretary. Now many of you don't know this fact, but the actual answer is the 1 rupee note is always signed by the Finance Secretary of our country. All other notes are signed by the RBI governor, whoever is the RBI governor, but only the 1 rupee note will be issued and it will be printed by the Ministry of Finance and it is signed by the Finance Secretary. The last question, friends, RBI is authorized to issue notes with face value up to dash rupees and coins up to dash rupees. So simply they are asking you what is a maximum amount of note and coin which RBI can print or mint. So 2000 and 1000, 2000 and 100, 10,000 and 100, 10,000 and 1000. Many of you might say that 2010 will be the right answer, but no, actual answer is D, that is 10,000 and 1000. So they are authorized to print up to 10,000 rupees face value notes and 1000 rupee coin. So many of you might not know this fact, but this is the real answer. Now extra bonus fact for you. Let's see where RBI prints its note and mints its coins. So RBI prints its note in usually 4 main printing presses. So where are they? One is the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India, which is owned by the Government of India, which is at Nasik, Maharashtra and Devas, Madhya Pradesh. And there is one more agency or one more institution which prints note, which is owned by the RBI, which is the Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, which is wholly owned subsidiary of RBI, and it prints note at Mysore, Karnataka and Selboni, West Bengal. Right? So 2000 notes are printed at Mysore, Karnataka, and RBI mints its coins, correct? Usually it is done by the Government of India, but RBI look after all this process. So it is done in 4 major places, that is Government Mint of Mumbai, Noida, Kolkata and Hyderabad. So these were, friends, some interesting questions on Reserve Bank of India which are asked in many competitive exams like NET exams, KSET exam, or it may be your IAS exam, KS exam, banking exams. So just remember this important points. There are still many more points which I'll bring you in few more videos. You can comment me and let me know any other topic on which you want me to make a specific video. I'll make that for you. So friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. Share these interesting questions with your friends. So thank you. We'll meet again with another topic.